Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am here with my latest weekly melts, what I got through over the last week. I have not changed my wax out yet. It's only 5:25 in the morning. My husband just left for work and my kids are still in bed, so I figured it was a perfect time to record, but I'm going to change my wax out a little bit later. I just haven't gotten around to it because it's early and I'm not even awake. So here's what I went through, no particular order. This was my second week of melting only Super Tarts. I still have not even scratched the surface on the different scents I have, so I am actually going to do it again this coming week, and that video will be recorded after this one on what I plan to melt for the week. I put my box together with all my Super Tarts that I still want to try. I'm starting to make a list of what I have and if I will buy it again or not. That way I don't wind up duplicating my order. She has so many scents. Sometimes I forget what I've ordered already and what I haven't. Sometimes I forget what I liked and what I didn't like. So I'm starting a fresh page on that. So the first thing is Lavender Orange Dream. I popped this in last night. I actually melted this, I think, 2 nights this week. It's sweet lavender mixed with orange sherbet. There's only 1 cube left, so I'm going to throw this in my next week's box, so you'll see that in the next video. This is one of my favorite bedtime scents. I absolutely love it. It's just a sweet orange creamsicle with the sweet lavender. I melted some more of this Kryptonite, which is key lime pie, coconut shavings, and copper tone. It's rebagged because you can see it's disintegrating. I got this in a D-stash a couple weeks ago, and the guy I got it from had D-stash a whole bunch of these clams that are super gross, and I had to rebag every single one. And one thing that's, you'll see it, I think it's at the bottom of the box, I'm not going to even finish. It's gross. There's no throw, there's no smell. I rebagged it and it just smelled like nothing. So I'm very disappointed that I paid $4 for these. I know I've said that before, but yeah. So I'm going to try to finish this one up this coming week, so this will be in my box as well. This is nice. I really like it. You get a lot of key lime and copper tone and a little hint of coconut. It is a really nice summer scent, and I'm glad I have a couple more backups that I actually got from Super Tarts. I melted Gandalf yesterday morning for my Sunday morning coffee scent. It's magically delicious, coffee beans and sweet cream. This one is amazing. It was just a nice, sweet coffee scent, and it just smells really, really, really good. I melted Curiosities, which is Raspberry Zinger, Island Nectar, and Green Apple Cake Pops. I melted this in my kitchen last night, and it's a really nice, fruity, with a hint of bakery scent. It is a very, very nice scent. I grabbed another clam of this last night. I melted Casper, which is toasted marshmallows, vanilla bean Noel, cornbread, and Mexican fried ice cream. I melted this in my kitchen the other day, and it's a really, really nice scent. I was going to grab another clam of it on the website, but it's sold out, so I'll have to wait till she restocks it. But this was really, really, really nice. I melted Vampire Diaries, which is strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, sweet cake bites. I melted this in my bedroom on Saturday, and it was a decent throw. I don't like it on cold because it's the strawberry in it smells like that strawberry plant I always mention, which is like it smells like the greenery of the strawberry and not the actual fruit. But on warm, it actually did come out to a nice fruity scent. This one I was disappointed in. Hermione, which is magically delicious and strawberry-filled cannoli. I got 0 throw from this. 0. I may de-stash the rest of this because I really don't feel like melting any more of something that doesn't smell. Next, I melted Ali, which is ginger ale, satsuma, and dark boysenberry. This one I got in a de-stash, and there was 1 cube missing when I got it, so this is my first time melting it. I melted it in my bedroom yesterday, and I was surprised that I liked it. I got the nice fizzy and then a berry scent, and I really, really, really liked it. I was very surprised. I melted Buster, which is black cherry float, zucchini bread, and frosted cupcakes. It was a very heavy zucchini bread. I don't mind heavy zucchini bread, but I wish there was a little bit more of the black cherry float. I was hoping for a little more like soda type scent. But it was really good. Oh, and my favorite of the week, Leonard Wildberry Mousse and Pink Sands. I think I picked up 3 of these during her Father's Day sale. This is gorgeous. A very, very nice like fruity light bakery with the pink sands. And it's really, really nice. It blends really well together. Yeah, I get that wildberry mousse and then a little bit of like a pink, it smells like pink sugar in a way, but not really, but it is really nice, and I'm glad that I picked up a bunch more. One of my other favorites from this week is Amity Island, which is rosemary mint and Jaws. Jaws is sea salt, fresh air, seagrass, sliced plum, and sweet pear, and then the rosemary mint. This was a gorgeous spa scent. I melted 1 cube in each of the warmers in my office and dining room, and it just was gorgeous. This would be a good bedtime scent, I think. It's just nice. It's a calming type scent. Another one I was pleasantly surprised I liked was Lex, which is shaving cream, yuzu, and vanilla milkshake. The first time I melted it, I melted 1 cube in my bedroom, and I loved it. And so I melted a half a cube in my bathroom last night. That's only a half a cube. And it's still going strong. I put it on about 10 o'clock last night. It's still going strong at 5:30 this morning. This is nice. I grabbed 2 during the men's sale. I finished this clam of Wonderful Life, which is peppermint, frosted grapefruit, orange, pink sugar, and vanilla ice cream. I grabbed 1 more of these during the sale. It wasn't on sale, but I wanted to grab it even though it wasn't on the discount part. I didn't want to place a separate order just for non-sale items, so I grabbed it. This one is gone. I do have another one here, and I want to grab 1 more because it's awesome. Another one I really liked was Saved by the Bell, which is black cherry 7-Up pound cake. On cold, it seemed too fruity, but on warm, that pound cake really came through, and it was nice. I actually grabbed another clam on the website this weekend. I melted some Janine in my bathroom. It's Mac Apple, Downy, and Pink Chiffon. I strictly just get the Downy and Pink Chiffon. It's a gorgeous, fresh laundry scent. I melt a half a cube at a time. So I think I melted 1 cube last week and 1 cube this week, but I cut each one in half. So it gave me 4 melts. And this lasted quite a while. I got a good 12 hours out of a half cube. I'm really impressed. Another favorite is Penguin, which is blackberry jam, ocean rain, pink sands. This one I melted, I think I melted it in the office. If there's 2 cubes missing and it was a full clam, then it means I melted it in the office and dining room, unless I melted it for 2 days. But I think I did this one in that room. It's gorgeous. I picked up 2 more during the sale. I can't get enough of this. I love blackberry jam, and I love like a fresh like pink sands, pink chiffon, pink sugar type. This one I was very disappointed. I will not be melting it again. It's Governor, which is iced, limited, and clean cotton at Yankee Dupe. I melted this in my bathroom, and I cut a cube in half. It just has a sour lemon smell to me. I mean, I like her lemonade because I have a lot that has like strawberry lemonade, watermelon lemonade, all those. I didn't like this. It smelled sour, so this I will be destashing the rest of. The next one I really liked was Clark, which is toasted hazelnuts, elderberry cheesecake, and apricot sugar cookies. I melted this in the kitchen. It's a very, very nice, I got a fuzz from my cotton ball. A very, very nice scent. You get a little bit of the nutty and a little bit of the fruit from the apricot and then the sugar cookies. I didn't get much cheesecake, which is all right by me. I finished this Sweet Sabertooth. I got this in a D-stash. She had sent single cubes from clams and BAM pieces. I grabbed another one of this during the sale, and I'm glad because it smells really good. I melted the sample I got in Amy. I have a clam of it, so I wanted to melt the sample and see if it was worth melting the clam as well, and it is. It's very nice. It's plum and sugar cookies, I think. Really nice. I'm glad that I have the clam. Another one I was pleasantly surprised about was Oklahoma, which is blueberry-filled biscuits. This one I melted in my kitchen, and on cold, I got almost like sort of a sour type note, but on warm, it was just a nice, sweet blueberry bakery, and I did grab another one of those on the website. I melted Smallville, which is country berry hotcakes, cornbread, and cotton candy. I melted this in my kitchen. It was a very, very nice bakery scent. Wasn't too heavy, but it had a little bit of sweetness from the cotton candy. I melted a cube of Very Good Cookie, which is berries and her house sugar cookie. This is a very nice scent. I really, really like it. It's really good. I melted it in my office and dining room, and it just is a very, very nice scent. I really, really like her sugar cookie scents. I melted Rue in the bedroom, which is Bedtime Bath Baby Powder Magnolia Blossom. This one is a gorgeous bedtime scent. I really like it. It is one of my top 5 of her bedtime type scents. I melted this sample of Big Bang. I think it's like pumpkin pecan waffles and something. This was really nice. I'm going to put this on my wish list for fall. When we get into like August, I'll start stocking up on fall scents, and that's when I'll definitely grab. I melted some Go to Sleep. It's some BAM pieces I got in a D-stash. One of my favorite bedtime scents. I really like it. I melted a third of this Puppy Paws, which is Mouse Ears and Cherry. This was really nice. I don't know what else to really say about it. It's a nice, you get the mouse ears and you get the cherry. I actually like it. Oh, one of my favorites, Percy Rain and Lemon Curd. I melt a half a cube in my bathroom each time. It throws like a beast for 12 to 15 hours with just a half cube. I love Percy. I will always repurchase that. I melted half a cube of Heart of Dixie. I don't know what the scent description is. I got this in a D-stash. I didn't get a whole lot of throw. I don't know if I'm going to D-stash this or use the rest, but I'm not crazy about it. One that I really liked was the Originals. It's like Spearmint Clementine. I don't remember. Gorgeous. I love this. I will buy more. I finished these Pam pieces in Belle. I got these in a D-stash, and so I decided to finish that up because there wasn't much left. Oh yeah, here's the baby I'm tossing. Blown Up. You can tell, look at how just disgusting that is. I mean, that's gross, and I paid $4 for this 2 weeks ago, and look at that. There's no throw, no scent. It is just, I don't even want to touch the clam anymore. It's so gross. I melted the sample in Yellow Brick Road. It's a bakery, like a baguette and whipped cream type. I did not like it. None whatsoever. I melted my go-to Rosemary's Baby, which is Bedtime Bath Rosemary Mint Herbal Lavender. This is one of my favorite bedtime scents of all time. This is, like, I think my top, actually. This is one you'll see that in my every week box for the foreseeable future. Next I melted Toodles. I was trying to see what I wanted from this collection because she was restocking the clams in it on Friday, and I didn't get a clam of this because it sold out. But it was good. It's Mouse Ears and Game. When she restocks, I will grab at least one, if not two. And last but not least is Fresh Prince, which is orange slices, coconut cream, and gardenia. This was very surprisingly nice. It was a little fruity, but really not so heavy on the gardenia, which is fine by me because I'm not much on heavy floral, but it was really nice. Yeah, that's really nice. So that is my... that is what I melted for the week. I got through quite a bit. I'm actually going to, because by the end of the week, I tend to forget what Monday and Tuesday were or what they smelled like. So I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to make a list of what I melted AM and PM each day and then what I got from the throw. That way I can kind of give a better description. I hate just saying, oh, it smells like this, oh, it smells like that, and I'm reading just the description. I want to kind of get a little more in-depth on what I smell. So I'm going to start that this week. I'm going to change out my wax probably when I get home from the gym this morning. I'm going to get my kids up. My mom's going to watch them at her house for an hour so I can go to the gym. So when we get home, I'll change my wax out for the day. I usually change it usually I change it when I get up, but I'm not, on days I go to the gym, I don't because I'm not going to be here for an hour or so and I want to kind of enjoy it, so I change it when we get back. But on days I don't go to the gym because my mom works at her office versus at home, I change it when I get up at 5. Well, no, I change it when my husband leaves around 5:20 in the morning, and then I change it again about 6, 7 at night. And I do use mostly Glade 20-watt hot plates. I have 3 of those. I have one Scentsy 25 watt bulb warmer, which I get a decent throw from. And then I have a Scentsy 15 watt nightlight plug-in that I have in my bathroom. And that one throws decently, but the bathroom is small, so that may be why. And I only can use a half a cube in there because the bowl is really small. So that being said, that is my melter for the week. I will put up what I plan to melt for the week in my next video. I hope y'all have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.